Hello my dear family and friends. Hope you all are doing well. Please support Siri Kitchen Moments channel and kindly provide your valuable feedback. Please watch the videos till the end for better clarity. Also, follow and tag Siri Kitchen Moments on different social media handles, which I will post in the description section of this video. With that said, without further ado, let's get into our today's video. An easy potato curry that is delicious and packed with subtle spices and served over steamed rice. You will just love it. There are different variations of potato curry recipes. In any way, potato curry turns out great with spice blends. Let's check out on how to prepare this potato curry with the tomato puree. Firstly, wash and blanch a tomato by putting the tomato in boiling water. When the skin starts peeling, turn off the heat and take the tomato in a separate plate. Peel the skin of tomato, then and place in a mixie jar and puree to a fine texture. Keep the tomato puree aside. Now thinly slice the onions, slit the green chilies lengthwise, rinse the mint leaves, take a bay leaf and few cashew nuts. Cut the potatoes into cubes. Next, heat a skillet, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add bay leaf, sliced onions, slit green chilies, cashew nuts and stir nicely for 2 minutes. When onions turn translucent, add a pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste and stir to mix well. Then add mint leaves and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir and saute until ginger garlic rawness disappears. Now add cubed potatoes and give a nice stir. Cover the lid and let cook for 5 minutes on low to medium flame. Then remove the lid and stir once. Now add tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and give a nice mix. Leave on medium flame for another 10 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and stir. Now add red chili powder based on your spice tolerance and saute for 5 minutes on low flame. Pour 2 cups of water and mix well. Cover the lid and let cook for 10 minutes on low to medium flame. Stir occasionally by removing the lid in between. When potatoes are fork tender, stir and mix well and cook until desired gravy consistency is received. Once done, garnish some coriander leaves, taste test the curry and give a good mix and turn off the heat. Potato curry is ready to be served. Fill your platter by serving potato curry along with steamed rice, boiled egg and rasam. This incredibly easy potato curry is packed with delicious flavors and is perfect to serve with rice or roti. If anyone watching for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, please do so by clicking subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon and select all notifications option so that as and when new videos are uploaded in Siri Kitchen Moments, you will receive immediate notifications. If you like this video, please do click on the like button. Also, you can express your valuable opinions and suggestions in the comment section and share this video to your loved ones. In short, please like, share, subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments. Hugs and love from Siri Kitchen Moments.